This is like deja vu. A couple years ago, this is the exact same situation. Flooded. Do not try and go through. Do not try. You know what? Just good luck. Oh, you're lucky. Woo! Now you've created a wake for everybody else, though. Could have gone around the back like that guy's doing over there. I have never seen beeping change the rain, people. One thing you have to learn in a situation like that is don't let people intimidate you into doing something stupid. Wow, we added a couple cars to the mix. Wow. 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 Oh, I want to see yeah, that guy's doing what everybody should be doing, is going up and around, because you know what? Yeah, it sucks to do it to the guy's property, but at the same time, you don't want to sink your car. And all these people just keep beeping. Here they come. Dot, dot, dot. The police. Oh, we gotta see if this guy's gonna make it. Look at that. Oh, look at this other way! Right between them. Did he make it? Did he stall out? Oh, are you kidding me? He did not make it. I really thought he was gonna make it. And here's the wave coming up at me. Whee! You wanna know who's first? Even the cops are like, oh no. No, it's still raining. You beeped and it's still raining. What do you know? I just realized my legs are getting soaked because, you know, they're under the umbrella. It's not good enough. Jump, jump, jump. No, 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 no. I think he wants you to back up. Wow. Might want to back up. There you go. Give him a minute. Give him a minute. He's got to figure it out how. There you go. Now see, that was good for trucks, not so much for cars. Woo. Stop moving forward, people! I gotta help these people out. There you go. Very hard with all these people going forward and backwards at the same time. Now this guy's trapped over there. At least there's a Chipotle, he can get food poisoning. I mean something to eat, something to eat. Woo-wee. Walk up this way a little more. Too much water. Walk up a little more. There's a lot of water over here. Yeah, I didn't make it there. You should have had a truck. You gotta show a little patience in this situation, people. I mean, look at these people. They've been trapped in their car as long as I